Okay, Randy, I know you're going to do a flooring job at your place. You've got carpet there. I'm going to give you a little heads up video at what it's going to take to remove the carpet. Being that you're on a concrete pad, the underpad is going to be glued down. You're going to need some tools. These tools I'll lend to you, but you got to give them back. My Milwaukee speed knife. We're going to use that to cut carpet and caulking, all kinds of wild, wonderful things. My big ass hammer, my big ass pry bar. This is to pull up the nailing strips and remove the trim. When you see it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Small pry bar just because they're handy, and this scraper because this is what's going to get your underpadding up. So let's take a little walk here. Okay. So the baseboard here has got to come up. And so we take our knife and right along the top here, it might be caulked or painted or whatever. We've got to cut a very straight line across the top of the trim so that when we take off the baseboard, we're not peeling the paint up the wall. So I'm just going to go from the corner and I'm going to score a line. You don't have to dig into the drywall. You just have to make a distinct line. All right? If you're replacing the baseboard, don't worry if you cut the baseboard. But if you're not replacing the baseboard, if you're using the old stuff, you got to be very careful with your line because you'll scratch the baseboard. And then next, I go over here in the corner with my little flat bar, tap it down, and then I get my other pry bar and I just pull it away. I'm not worried about the nails; they'll come up later, and they come out easy with a pair of side cutters. Pliers. You just pull them off. Baseboard's out of there. Just like that. Okay, next we're going to start lifting up the carpet. I'm going to show you this. Along the wall, carpet, there's a nailing strip. Can you see it from there? Do I have to change the angle here? Let's see, it's a nice red wall. This nailing strip. All right, it goes all the way around the perimeter, and it's down to keep the carpet from moving and sliding. We're gonna have to hammer that up. So I peel back the carpet a bit. Let me put this right here, so maybe you got a good enough view so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this end. I'm going to change view here. Hold on. Can we change it? Okay, so I'm just going to take this flat part of the pry bar. I'm going to put it on the floor in front of the nail heads. And you're going to see a nail head, not the pointy parts of the nails. Right? And then just one switch, and you end up pulling the nail right out. Right? Out of the concrete. And that's it's going to lift the strip. And we do that all the way around and get the strip out of here. Okay, so roll up your carpet, get it out of here. Then we lift up the nail strip, and then we'll be on to our next stage. So I'm going to do that, and I'll come back to you. Okay, Randy, you're also going to have a transition strip. One of these. Can we see that? I don't know if you can see that. This thing here. All right? And it's probably going to be in your bathroom door. These things here, I'm just going to cut it. Oh, wow, I'm sweating my balls off. I'm just going to cut the carpet across it, underneath, right? And then I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to jam it underneath and pop it up. All the way along. And once it's up that high, you can actually bend it and get it the rest of the way out. Okay, now I just piled these all up on top of the underpadding like that, just laying down there, because I'm going to roll them up. The nails always end up eating you if you don't. There's a lot of nails in there. Now these are glued down. This is glued down. You see the glue strip in there. So you have to end up scraping and lifting. So I just go along scraping. And then I can roll it up. See all the glue trails? Yeah, you just scrape them along there and roll up the underpadding and out it goes. Man, it's warm in here. Okay, I hope that helps, Randy.